And we're back! This time with 3-digit by 3-digit and a little bit tougher numbers. We're going to have to do some carrying here. So, again, this looks a little bit crazy, but all we're doing is our regular steps with a little bit of add-on, right? Our ones column, our tens column, our hundreds column. So let's start, and I'm going to use 3 different colors on this one. If you want to use 3 different colors, I know we've talked about highlighting them different in class and circling them different in class. Whatever it takes to help you remember that we're doing 3 separate steps and then add them together is all good. Whatever it takes is good. So let's start in the ones column with 3 times 8. Ma'am.
24.
Bring down my 4. Carry my 2. Well, I'm still going to need you guys to check our multiplication on this one so that I don't do this wrong on YouTube. It'll be super embarrassing for the whole world to watch. Next one. 3 times 2. Yes, sir.
6.
Plus 2?
8.
8. 3 times 3? Yes, ma'am.
9.
9. So 3 times 328 is 984. Now we're done with our 3. And it helps me to cross it out, just so that I know, done, don't have to work with it anymore. And we definitely want to cross this out too, that way we don't end up jumbling things up and using this multiplication and adding in our 2 that doesn't belong there. So, our first thing we have to add when we work with this 7, which is not actually a 7. Yes, ma'am?
It's 70.
It's a 70. So we need to
Add a 0.
bring down our first 0. Now it's a 70. 7 times 8. Yes, ma'am. Bring down my 6. Carry my 5. 7 times 2. Yes, ma'am.
14.
14 plus 5.
19.
Keep going. Nope, sorry. You're right. I'm wrong. Good thing you're here. 19. Bring down my 9. Carry my 1. 7 times 3. Yes, ma'am.
21.
21 plus 1.
22.
22. So, 70, since we're over in our tens column, times 328 is 22,960. So what's our next step? In our tens column, if we brought down 1 0, what are we going to do for our hundreds column? Yes, sir.
2 zeros.
Yeah, 2 zeros, because this isn't actually a 2, it's a 200. And now it's going to feel extra weird, right? Because going over here to our ones column over here and then bringing it up, it feels weird. It's just something we have to practice a whole bunch of times and get used to. So, what is 2? Oh, major mistake, Mr.G. Don't forget to cross out your stuff from the tens column because we are done with the tens column. Nope, I crossed out the 5. It's just hard to see. 2 times 8.
16.
16. Bring down my 6. Carry my 1. 2 times 2. Sir.
4.
Plus 1.
5.
5. Nothing to carry, correct? 2 times 3. Ma'am.
6.
6. So, 200 times 328 is 65,600. Correct? We're good so far. Last step. Since we did 3 separate multiplication problems and we need one answer, we have to say it.
Add.
4 plus 0 plus 0. Yes, sir.
4.
6. 6 plus 8 plus 0. Ma'am.
14.
Bring down my 4. Carry my 1. No, let's step this out at a time. 1 plus 9.
10.
10. 10 plus 9.
18.
19. 19 plus 6.
25.
25. Bring down our 5. Carry our 2. Now the adding gets a little easier again. 2 plus 5.
9.
2, well, 9 when we add the 2. Add this 2 plus 5 is 7.
7.
Add this 2,
9.
9. Bring down our comma. And our last one, 2 plus 6. Yes, sir.
8.
8. So, the answer to 328 times 273 is 89,544. Not hard, just a lot of steps involved. So let's check it over real quick. Brought down my 1 0, brought down my 2 zeros, right? I crossed out my stuff up here so I didn't overlap anything. The numbers seem reasonable, right? We don't have anything in like the one, like a 1 down here, or like a million, or nothing crazy going on, right? So if it seems reasonable, we checked over our work, we made sure we took our correct steps, done, right?
Yes.
Right.